Hi, I'm Dr. Walter Matwaychuk, and I'm here to inform you that on Sunday, March the 3rd, at 9 a.m. in New York, I will be offering a free lecture, hour long, on the core principles and strategies of rational emotive behavior therapy. It'll be on Zoom, and anyone is welcome to attend, professionals and non-professionals alike. And during this lecture, I will be talking about the fundamental ideas of REBT and some of the strategies that we use to help people change their self-defeating emotional and behavioral reactions. It's my premise that one needs to have a good understanding of this psychoeducational approach to emotional well-being in order to effectively use it. And this lecture goes a long way towards helping people deepen their understanding of these ideas. Each week, I do a demonstration on Saturdays at 9 a.m. on Zoom, where I take a volunteer and I show them how to apply the ideas of REBT to a particular problem. Here you're seeing REBT in action. The purpose of my lecture on March the 3rd is to step back and talk about the concepts, the theoretical concepts and strategies that comprise the system of ideas that was put together by Albert Ellis way back in 1956 and then refined over a 60-year clinical career. REBT is the pioneering form of cognitive behavior therapy. It's a sensible, practical approach to emotional well-being and modifying self-defeating behavior. This lecture will take place at 9 a.m. in New York on March the 3rd, which is 2 p.m. in the UK, 3 p.m. in Paris, 4 p.m. in Bucharest, 7:30 in New Delhi, and 11 p.m. in Tokyo, Japan. We have a worldwide audience, and if you write to me at rebtdoctor@gmail.com, you too can get the link. Hope to see you on Sunday, March the 3rd.